Guys, I am in shorts and a t-shirt, which can only mean one thing. We are back in 70-degree weather again. It feels so good to be home. I had such a fun time experiencing New York for the holidays for the first time. It was really magical, especially that last night where you started getting snow. It was so magical. I had so much fun, but I'm ready to be back. It feels kind of weird that we still have like a week and a half till Christmas. It feels like, you know, we put so much effort into the party, go hard, getting everything ready so fast for the party. And then I spent a week in New York experiencing that magic. And now I'm back and I still have a week and a half left till Christmas, which is fine. I still have a lot of plans for Vlogmas. I have a lot of things coming up. There are a couple things that I wasn't able to get to before the party because that time was so condensed. So there's still little couple things decor-wise that I'd like to get to. But I have some big plans for you coming up and I'm excited. But first thing is first, I left about 5 hours after the party ended. And so my lovely friend Brittany, who stayed with Scout here, did some of the cleanup for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it so much. But I want to get this apartment back into, obviously I'm not taking the decor down or anything like that, but I do want to get it back into a workable area. My dining room table is still up from the party. That needs to come down. That's taking up so much space in the apartment and I don't need it anymore. So that needs to come down first and foremost. I need to take care of, like, my plants have been a little neglected for the last week. Totally fine. We're going to get to that. I just have little odds and ends to get life back ready, up and running for this next week. So that is what today is all about. I'm going to go ahead and start with my plants because I woke up, slept in a little late because I got home at I think I got back at 2:30 in the morning. So I slept in a little bit late, not to mention I'm still on New York time a little bit. And I took a look at my plants and I was like, oh, we gotta hop to that. So I just hopped out of the shower and first things first, let me get my babies some water and then we're gonna take care of that dining room and getting this place a little bit spotless. So nothing devastating up there. There was just a bunch of scorched stuff. It's fine. Nothing's dying up there. So we just gave it a little haircut. It needed it anyway. And now I need to clean up all of these leaves that I just threw all over my floor. But we're looking good. Could have been a lot worse. Task 1 done. This table needs to go. I have been here for maybe 6 hours, and I am already annoyed about walking around it. So I just need to get it out. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this decor. Maybe I can decorate my actual dining table, do a little something there. I don't know. Let's play, but let's get this table gone. We added some like greenery to it or whatever. I was really proud of this. I wonder if I could, I mean, it really doesn't need it. I want to add for just the sake of adding. Maybe. Nah, we don't need it. Just extra stuff. I don't need just extra things. So we'll put these back downstairs. Woo! Look at all this room. I feel better. Magic. I feel so much better. The apartment feels spacious again and clean. I just need to unpack, and then I feel like I'm going to be ready for whatever this week is going to throw at me. I hate unpacking. I'm usually that person that will leave a suitcase there for a couple days after I get back, because it's like, what is the first thing after a vacation? What do you want to do is like go through all your stuff and figure out what needs to be cleaned. But oh gosh, it's just the worst. But I'm gonna do it today because it needs to get done today so that I can have a clear head throughout the rest of the week. It feels so good to be back. You know, it's good to be back with Scout. It is good to be back in this magical Christmas place that I have created, and we are jumping straight in tomorrow. We've got more Vlogmas. Reminder, send me your questions because we are gonna do a Q&A coming up in one of these Vlogmas episodes. A lot of you sent me a lot of questions already. Love to see it. Keep sending them so that we can make a full episode out of it. And I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Night, guys.